Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Smart Learning Portal. Today, we'll be going to discuss a type of number series which is highly expected for upcoming SBA PO and also IBPS PO examinations. IBPS PO examination is not yet declared but may come soon. But SBA PO is declared. Those who didn't apply for it, go and apply for it. Okay. So it's one of the most expected type. It's very confusing. So we can move to it. 100, 101, 102, 101, 96, question mark, 66. So what conclusion can you draw from this? Can you draw from this? I think nothing can be found from this in first look. Okay, I'll say that. Here we can take the differences. Here there is plus 1, and next one it's plus 1, next one it's minus 1, not 2, 100. Some confusions are there, and after that minus 5. So what conclusion can be drawn from this? It's not increasing, it's not decreasing, and it's not exponentially increasing, isn't it? Not exponentially increasing. No high increase is there. Very low increase, and then a decrease, then decreasing, increasing up to this, and decreasing after that. So what you have to do is, it's very confusing. I'm not saying it's simple. You cannot get the series, how the series is going. That trick, it's very essential. So plus 1, plus 1, minus 1, minus 5. So here what to do is that plus 1 can be written as minus 2 square plus, plus 5, plus 5, and minus 2 square 4, minus 4, plus 5 1. Okay, so someone may ask, how do you get it? So it's not multiplication, it's not linear, it's not adding or subtracting. So because it's unevenly going, so some squares may come. So that must be in your memory. After that, looking at it, try to apply some squares. Here, minus 2 squares plus 5. Yeah, it's correct. Next one, okay, minus 3 square. What's that? Minus 9. For getting plus 1, what to do? Plus 10. So it's like a pattern. 2 square change to 3 square, and 5 change to 10. Adding 5. Okay, and then for the next one, it's minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, next is minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, we can write next number. Minus 4 square plus adding 5, 15. It's correct now. Minus 16 plus 15 is minus 1. Sorry, minus 16 plus 15 is minus 1. Correct. So next one is minus 5 square plus 20. It's correct. Yeah, minus 25 plus 20 is minus 5. Yeah, you got the pattern. But I'm not saying it's simple. It's not simple. For getting that in your mind is very essential. By practicing, you can get it. Okay. Okay, 5 square plus 20. So this one, the difference should be minus 6 square plus 20 plus 5, 25. Okay. So what's it? Minus 36 plus 25, minus 11. So 11 should be subtracted from 96 for getting the answer. So what's your answer? 85. It's your answer. Okay. So try this kind of questions more. Okay.